SpaceX not giving the bulls much to cheer about, off 10% today, down 3 days straight. It hit a high of 225 last week and is back to 165. And that's where we begin today, with the company reportedly exploring a $20 billion bond sale. Seema Modi is here with more of what we know. Seema, normally new companies don't do bond sales, but this company's a big one, and it's been changing so much of what we think we know about IPOs.
Yeah, the speed at which is going towards this bond sale is pretty unprecedented. Here's the latest, Kelly. What we're hearing, according to two bankers we spoke to, is that SpaceX is exploring the prospect of this mega bond sale that could kick off as early as tomorrow, reportedly raising as much as $20 billion. Late last week, SpaceX received investment-grade credit ratings from the top three agencies, S&P, Moody's, and Fitch, all three agencies citing several strengths that SpaceX has, including profits that it derives from Starlink satellite network and its reusable rocket technology, but also noting a few risks, including that Elon Musk's control and the capital-intensive nature of SpaceX's many businesses like xAI. In fact, Standard & Poor's flagging its AI bet as the riskiest of the three business segments due to its massive upfront investments and the unclear monetization path. Investors see this bond sale as one way to continue funding SpaceX's goal to buy more chips, compute, and invest in its large language model Grok, which faces fierce competition from the likes of OpenAI and Anthropic. If SpaceX is able to raise $20 billion, it would come less than 2 weeks after securing over $75 billion in its initial public offering. There are fixed income calls, we're told, between management and investors right now, which would imply we could see this bond sale happen as early tomorrow, just as we watch the stock, Kelly, fall now by around 25% from the high it hit of $225 a share.
What else are you hearing about the declines that, look, a name this volatile, this large, this unprecedented, it just can't keep going up. But what are you hearing about this reset?
Two things I would say. First, nearly every technology company has tapped the bond market to raise funds to fund the AI build-out. It's capital intensive. You took a look at NVIDIA last week with a $25 billion bond sale, Google, Meta, Amazon as well. So this is certainly not unique. The timing, actually, you could say is very good because there's a lot of interest right now in getting exposure to the AI infrastructure trade, whether it's equity or debt. However, as we've also seen with other high-profile IPOs that see that big one-day pop, Kelly, the 3 to 6 months and 6 month performance, these stocks tend to underperform. And I also think back to the day the company went public, when we were on the ground, and I spoke to a select group of SpaceX employees who had shared they're now worth a lot more on paper, and that when that first lockup expiration comes at the end of August, early September, they're looking to sell a little bit.